Hey traders, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm just doing a really quick video for you guys today on something I'm seeing on gold. Let me get rid of this fib retracement that I have in here. Probably not going to post much next week. So I won't post Monday. Very unlikely I'll post Wednesday. We'll probably get back to it on Friday. So you can expect a new video a week from now. And obviously that's just because of the holiday. You guys should be spending time with your family. I'm going to be spending time with mine. So I am taking a little bit of time away from kind of my work. So that is that. I still will be active on Instagram, answering questions, not kind of totally taking time away, but just stepping back, especially from this stuff because it takes more time. I did want to point out, though, I wasn't even going to make a video today, and I saw this pattern forming on gold, and I wanted to mention it to you. So I am not huge on patterns, you guys. I've kind of got it drawn in there with arrows, but we're going to draw it in with a marker, and I'll try to zoom in so you can see it. I'm on the daily chart, okay? It's where I like to find my patterns if I use them at all. I'm not huge on patterns, you guys. Not chart patterns. Obviously, I love candlestick analysis because I rely on price action. The thing with chart patterns is they're so subjective. Like I could see something completely different than you. And so I'm not huge on them. However, I definitely use them to confirm what I'm already seeing happening in the market, okay? So gold's been a little funny lately. It is consolidating a bit. There's really no action, right? And that's because we can expect this during the holiday, the few weeks coming up, when the major corps are not as heavily involved because of the holiday season, right? So in January, this will get back to normal. But this consolidation a little bit here, we already had been seeing a bit of a slow on gold's kind of upward momentum, I will say. And what I noticed was, and this is a really good opportunity to show you guys this, a rising wedge. Okay, so let's draw. I'm terrible with these lines. Draw a line through there. And I'm trying to get as many wicks as I can. This last one is horrible. The first one's so bad. Basically what we're seeing is it's just a pattern that shows us, it looks like a wedge, right? And why is it a wedge? Because at the end, it just starts kind of getting smaller. And the whole reason that we look at this pattern and we say we're looking for a sell here, okay? So we're looking for a break here. And then to take a short to either a lower zone, lower support, whatever, however you trade, totally up to you. But the reason this works is that the wedge is getting smaller near the end, right? Meaning we just don't have as much momentum. Price is or buyers are losing that momentum that they had there, which tells us what? That there are less of them in the market. And it makes sense that we would see a drop soon, right? That being said, it doesn't always work out that way, especially right now, you guys, with all the stuff going on with Trump. And I just exited that too. All the stuff going on with Trump, it's really going to make for a hard time selling any major pair or pair with the US dollar. So to avoid fake outs, just avoid the news. And just be careful with the USD right now. But this is what I'm seeing. So hopefully this will start playing out more after kind of the Trump business is over. For those of you wondering what's happening with Trump, he was impeached. So that does not mean, I know a lot of people think that means he's getting kicked out of office. Some of you might be excited about that. I won't comment, but it does not mean that. So they'll still that's why January is going to be dicey, because they're going to kind of determine whether or not he stays in. It's really hard to get a president kicked actually out of office. So yeah, that's what's going to be coming up on that. So definitely make yourself aware of news. But this is what I'm seeing. And like I said, this is a really short video. I'm just waiting. I'd wait for a break here. And then take a sell down to, I think the zone I was looking at selling to was in here, which would be the 14, I think I had 1462. Okay, so that's where I would sell down to. And again, when I draw in my lines on my ascending channels or descending channels, I draw them like my support and resistance. So I try to include as many wicks as possible. So that's what I did here with that line, and that's what I did here with this line. I'm not really going to get into too much about, chart patterns in this video. I'm not going to ramble on. Just wanted to show you what I'm looking at on gold, and wish you guys a happy holidays. Have a good break. Take a break. Don't overwork yourself, and there are always going to be trades coming up. So let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you